We'll take a look offline first and see what's going on. This looks like a broken standpipe for the clean out. This should probably be repaired. Alright, we'll go upline. A little bit of trash in there. That would probably be alright. Probably not though. Look at that. Somebody put their tile in there. Let's see if I can jump over. I hate to push it down. Yeah, it needs to be jetted. Get that out of there. I'm going to end up pushing it up there and make it hard to get out. So, I pushed it up enough. So, that needs jetting. Get that out of there. Otherwise, the pipe looks good. But that paper is going to hang up on that tile. Those tile pieces or whatever that is. Looks pretty rigid. It looks like pieces of tile to me. Otherwise, the pipe installation looks good. There's not a lot of sand here. But as long as you're going to remove that tile that's up line, you may as well get that jetted out as well. But neither can be done until the standpipe for the clean out has been fixed.